Welcome to Maths from Zero. We are commencing a long journey with the ultimate intention of achieving the best possible results for your school end examinations. For most of you, it is either the ordinary level examination or the advanced level examination. As you know, that achievement has 4 stages: the foundation program, the pre-O levels, O levels, and then the A levels. In case if you are here without going through the instructional video for the foundation program, I advise you to do that first. In the foundation program, we start from absolute beginning without any assumption of prior knowledge. In that sense, anybody can follow this program. This program deals with basic number skills, which will be essential for anybody in their day-to-day lives. However, if I consider the objective of reaching the advanced level examination, the target group is children over 10 years and at most 13 years. For the children in that age group, I will be smoothly taking them over up to their advanced level examination. Let's get into work. This is the first block of the foundation program dealing with whole numbers. Our first topic is numbers in words. Within 30 minutes, I hope to revisit in a different perspective what you have gathered over a period of years in your early learning stages. Check whether you are prepared with a printout of the tutorial. If not, please pause the video and come prepared. Okay, let's start from the absolute beginning. Think that you are given a pen or a pencil. What you can do? You can either write or you can either draw. Let's forget about drawing. If you are writing, you can write using digits or you can write using letters. These are the digits that we have: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have letters from A to Z. Think of digits. Either one digit or more than one digit is considered as a number. However, there is an exception. Digit 0 is not considered as a number. Think of letters. In a general sense, more than one letter consists of a word. However, there are certain letters that are also considered as words. For example, if you say that I went to school, the I is just a letter, but it is considered as a word. Once upon a time, that's just a single letter A in between, but it is considered as a word. In this topic, you will be given numbers in digit form and you are required to write them down in words. Generally, in mathematics, we are dealing with numbers. This is the only topic that we are fully occupied with writing in words. Out of the digits that we have identified, digit 0 and digit 1 are special. Let's see why they are special. Turn to the next page. This is a tutorial at knowledge level. In tutorials at knowledge level, you need to complete the activities with me. Then you will get a better chance of absorbing what we are discussing here. Remember, these videos are not for listening. You need to engage. Sufficient time will be given for you to complete the tutorial within the explanation. You are aware that this is digit 6. Can you enter with me? SIX. When you keep digit 1 in front of digit 6, TEEN will be added to the word 6, so it becomes SIXTEEN, that is 16. When you keep digit 0 after digit 6, TY will be added to the name of the digit, which is SIX, so this becomes SIXTY60. That is why I have mentioned that digit 0 and digit 1 are special. Depending on where you keep those digits, different words are generated. We'll quickly look at the others. In the same manner, so I don't have to repeat the circumstances. In the same manner, 7 becomes 17 and then 70. 9 will become 19 and then 90. 8 will become 18 and then 80. 8 is having T, so TEEN will not be added, only EEN will be added, and only the letter Y will be added for 80. Look at the next one. 4 becomes 14 and then it should become 40. I have not given the word 40. There should be a reason for that. The reason is that when TY is added to FOUR, it is not FOURTY, it is FORTY. Get it completed? So enter the correct spellings. FORTY. Okay, let's go to the next page. Then TEEN should be added to 5, but when it is done, there will be a change in spellings. FIVE will turn out to be FIF. It is FIFTEEN, so it is 15. And here TY will be added to FIF, so it is FIFTY 50. 3 will also be changed. When 1 is kept in front of 3, THIRTEEN, it becomes 13. And when 0 is added after 3, it is THIRTY, 30. Look at digit 2. When 1 is kept in front of 2, it's sort of a totally different word. It is 12, TWELVE. And then when 0 is kept after 2, it is 20, TWENTY. TY is available, but TEEN is not there in 12. When 1 is kept in front of 1, that again is a different word, 11, ELEVEN. There, be careful about the spellings as well. There are 3 E's, and when 0 is kept after 1, it is 10. Let's consider the words that we have identified so far in a different manner. We can group them in the following way. We can identify numbers in 1 digit. If you think about these are numbers in 1 digit. Digit 1 to digit 9 can be identified as numbers in 1 digit. 0 is not considered as a number, but when 0 appears before a particular digit, there is no change in the name. So if you want, you can add many zeros in front of 1, it is still 1. Thereby, we have 9 words for that category. I will identify those 9 words as group 1 words. Let's look at numbers in 2 digits. I will get into this analysis. Now, we will be having digit 1 as the first digit and other than 0. This will be other than 0. If you have other than 0 as the second digit and you have digit 1 as the first digit, that is the middle category that we considered. Now look, In this, we have digit 1 in the first digit other than 0 in the second digit. For those numbers, we have 9 more words, that is from 11 to 19. I will identify these 9 words as group 2 words. And then we have another category. Look, this one. Here we are having digit 0 after the main digits. We are having digit 0. That category we can identify. Let's say you have digit 0 here, okay, and then here other than 0. It is even not necessary to say other than 0. So if you keep many zeros together, it is obviously a 0. For that category, we have 9 more words, 10, 20, 30 up to 90. We have 9 more words there. Let me identify those 9 words as words in group 3. So we have identified 27 words altogether. Now consider the remaining numbers in 2 digits. There is another category of 2-digit numbers. Look, first we considered first digit 1, second digit other than 0. Next we considered second digit 0, first digit other than 0. And now we have to consider first digit other than 1. What happens if first digit is other than 1 and the second digit is other than 0? So this is the remaining category of 2-digit numbers. First digit other than 1, second digit other than 0. For these numbers, we are not using any additional words. In reading these 2-digit numbers, we don't have any other new word. We read the first digit from the third group we have identified above and the second digit from the first group we have identified above. Let's see how this can be done. Go to the next page. Now take this number. It is a 2-digit number where first digit is other than 1, second digit is other than 0. So then what you should do? This first digit should be read from the third group. So in the third group we read it as 2, we read it as 20. And the second digit we read it from the first group, which is 7. So it is 27. Look at the next number. It's 9 and 9. So the first digit from the third group 90 and the second digit from the first group 9. It is 99. Of course, this is the explanation I give for the time being, but in our next topic I will give a different way of looking at it. Let's go to numbers in 3 digits. Here we get a new word 100. In reading any number in 3 digits, we read the first digit from the first group followed by the term 100. Okay, take this number. It is a 3-digit number, so we read the first digit from the first group. So it is simply 1. Get it entered? In order to indicate that it is a 3-digit number, we use the word 100. So that is the additional word we are using here. Yes, look at the next one. A 3-digit number. So the first digit from the first group 5 and we need to use the word 100. So it is 500. Let's look at this. It is again a 3-digit number. So the first digit from the first group is 4. First digit from the first group is 4. In order to indicate that it is a 3-digit number, we have to use the term 100. Now, not like the previous two numbers we did. In the previous two numbers, the two remaining digits are zeros. But now you don't get two zeros as the remaining two digits. So there is some more. So if there is some more, we customarily use the term AND to connect with the rest of the two digits. And then we read the next two digits. So reading two digits we have done previously. So the next two digits here is 30. So when you read it, it is 430. The term AND we are using as a rhythm term so that it will be easy to pronounce. Look at the other numbers. I have printed them. This is very primitive. Okay, now look, 3-digit number 7, 100. Next two zeros, next two digits are not zeros. So you get something there. So we use the term AND 16. So 716. Similarly, 846 and then 902 means 2, because you can keep a 0 in front of a digit, the name will not change. So it is 902. Let's look at how the value addition is taking place up to the last number in 3 digits. Digits are introduced in such a way that there is a gap of 1 unit in between two consecutive digits. There is a gap of only 1 unit. So when you maintain a gap of 1 unit from 9, the next term is 10. The next term is 10. So after that, when you maintain that gap, so 10 becomes 11, 10 becomes 11, and it becomes 12 and so on. It will go up to 20. Then when you maintain the gap of 1 unit, 20 becomes 21, and then 30, 40 up to it comes to 99. So shall we enter the grid as well? Now they are asking the smallest and the largest number in 1 digit. So what is the smallest number in 1 digit? Look, this is the smallest number in 1 digit, and this is the largest number in 1 digit. What is the smallest number in 2 digits? 10. And then what is the largest number in 2 digits? 99. Thereafter, when a gap of 1 is taken from 99, it becomes a 3-digit number. The first 3-digit number is 100. So the smallest 3-digit number is 100. After that, the last 2 digits will get subjected to the process we identified. So it will come to 99, it will come to 199, and then after 199 it will become 200. So 200, and 200 will become 300, 400 and so on, and will come to 999, which is the largest number in 3 digits. This is mainly the end of the topic. However, as an added material, I have given you how words are formed in representing the position of the number, though this is not directly related to writing numbers in words. Go to the next page, we will have a quick glance at it. I have given the positions here. Now 0, there is no position. 0 is nothing, so if it is nothing, it cannot have any position. The position of 1 is said to be first, 2 is second, 3 is third. After that, th will be added to the name of the number to get the position. So 4 becomes 4th. But look, when ty is added, u is eliminated. So it became 4t, forty. But when th is added, u is not eliminated. Th is added, u is not eliminated. 5 will get little bit modified. It becomes 5th, and then it goes to 6th, 7th, 8th, and so on. And then look at 9th. When th is added, e goes off. And then for 12, when th is added, spellings will be changed. 12th, though it is pronounced almost as 12th, it is twelfth. If you take the numbers where you get 0 as the second digit, then this letter y is replaced with ieth. So it's 20th, 30th, 40th, and so on. But for 10 it does not apply. It is th. For 10, th will be added. Now we have an expedition. Let's see what it is. If you have written all the numbers from 1 to 99 inclusive, how many different words you are using? Let's see that you take a book and you keep on writing 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and you are writing up to 99. So when you in that process, how many different words you are using? It is worth giving a try. Pause the video and try your best. Now I will explain this situation from the previous grid I have used. Look at this. Now when you are writing all the numbers from 1 to 99, you meet one digit numbers. For one digit numbers, we have 9 words. Further, in 2 digit numbers, we identified 3 subcategories. What are the subcategories? When the first digit is 1 and the second digit is other than 0, we have 9 more words in this category. And when the first digit is other than 0 and the second digit is 0, we have 9 more words in that category. And in the third subcategory, where the first digit is other than 1 and the second digit is other than 0, we do not use any more words. So for such numbers, we read the first digit from the third group we have identified and the second digit from the first group we have identified. So totally we are using 27 words. So the answer here is 27. Isn't it that what you already know is tested in a different way? This is another aspect of the skills that we need to develop. That is to apply what you already know to an unfamiliar situation. Now the question is, if you have written all the numbers from 1 to 999 inclusive, how many different words you are using excluding the word and? Because we do not consider and as a mathematical word. So now you write from 1 to 999. So earlier we considered 1 to 99. So we came up to 100 and we go up to 999. Now I need the answer in 5 seconds. Yes, go ahead. Yes, you should have figured out the answer. So when you are writing 3-digit numbers, we are using only one new word. That is the term 100. So altogether we are using 28 words, excluding the word and. This is the end of the tutorial 1A. I have given an additional section in the tutorial so that you can reattempt the main activity on your own. If you can do this additional part, it will be more helpful. That is to revisit the video again and then think that your friend has not visited the video, So explain it to your friend, explain it to your imaginary friend. Try to develop the basis that you have discussed in this tutorial on your own. That is the best activity you can do. I hope that within 30 minutes I was capable of revisiting what you have gathered in a period of few years in your early learning stages. Not only that I have revisited, I have given a totally different perspective to what you already know. Looking at what you already know in a different way itself will improve your skills. In our next tutorial, we will be looking into writing bigger numbers in words.